What you see here is the Joy of Sharing card kit. It is designed to make 15 cards. They are larger than usual. They are designed so that you can put photographs behind them, or you can make them as regular cards. When you divide up the materials into what do you have to make a card, if you're making 15 cards, this is what you have. You have this beautiful sheet of gold foil, which when you take the middle out of it, you have all of that left. For what I'm going to show you, I took it and cut off just a little bit because I'm going to use that on another card. Okay, then you have 15 card bases, 15 envelopes. You have 30 plus labels, so I'm using a large one and a small one. You have a little bit over 15 of those, so those you can cut out of red cardstock, so I'm going to add another one of those. You have, okay, so I've got 4 poinsettias and 4 pine cone sprays, and we're going to use this to make 2 cards instead of 1 card. What I'm going to add here is 1 Always Artichoke regular size card base. And I chose to go regular size because I don't have the larger envelopes. I'm adding a Whisper White piece for the inside. And the only other thing we're adding is this 1 red banner. The kit also comes with these they're stickers, they're gold glitter stickers that you can use for bling. So we'll be using some of those. And so let's get started. Okay, I'm not going to make the cards exactly as they're shown, but I am planning on this card to use this label. I'm going to use, I think some like a poinsettia, and maybe another one down there, and the sentiment. And then I believe we'll put this inside the card. Then I'm going to take this one, and we had that inside piece of gold foil, which I'm going to place on the front. I'm going to place a red banner, and my sentiment is going to say Merry Christmas to you and yours. And I'm going to place this spray of pine cones down here. And I think I'll put this and this poinsettia, you know, something like that. And I think we'll put this poinsettia inside the card. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble these, and we'll see what we have.